Hey everybody, and how's it going on? In this video we will be talking about how to activate T-Mobile SIM card. So without a further ado, let's just dive right into the process. Alright, so the most common way to activate a T-Mobile SIM card is with your phone itself. It is easy to do, um, and you will have to follow these simple steps. Insert your SIM card into your phone while it is powered off. Turn your phone on and follow on-screen setup prompts. Call 1-800 T-Mobile to complete the process. You may have to provide your phone's IMEI number and the number printed on the SIM card to service representative for them to complete the process. The SIM card likely came pre-installed if you purchase an iPhone from T-Mobile. Turn on your phone and follow the steps to activate it. You will probably have to log into your Apple account, but the SIM card should already be activated. And yeah, so basically that's a pretty simple process on how you can activate T-Mobile SIM card. And I hope you found this story helpful. If you did so, make sure to let us know in the comment below that what else you want to see upcoming next onto our channel. And we really appreciate helping you out. And yeah, so subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next couple of tutorials.